Ah, what a lovely day. Well, I'm off to the wharf now. Let's see. Nothing can go wrong, I think. Oh, hello, Colin. Lovely day, isn't it? All right, I'll shunt those log trucks over there so you can unload them and load them onto the barge. It's all yours now, Colin. Now, let's see. Oh, all right, you trucks better behave yourself. I just want to get the job done. Well, you can try, boyo, but I'm not afraid of you trucks trying to cause trouble. After all, they call me Fearless Freddie for a reason. Oh no, no. Oh, brakes, perfect. Oh dear, oh no. Oh dear. My coupling rods have snapped. Oh dear. And it's dented a bit of my side tanks. Oh dear, that's a lot of steam bursting out of my cylinders. Oh dear, I think I've broken down. Oh dear. Well, my pilot and trailing wheels seem all right, but my driving wheels seem to have a bit of a flat. Colin? Can you... Oh, I see Madge over there. Can you please try and call her to come and help us? Oh, Madge, I'm glad you're here. Could you please... well, that's to say, I've had a bit of an accident. I've broken down and I can't really make it to the steamworks by rail because my wheels have a flat and I don't have my coupling rods have broken off, you see, and I think a bit my tank will be leaking and yeah, I've got a lot of steam bursting out of my cylinders. Could you please give me a lift to the steamworks, thank you? Oh, thanks for the lift, Madge. I owe you one. Oh, afternoon, Victor. Yes, I'm going to need some serious work done on me. I had a bit of an accident over at the wharf. Yes, as you can see, my cylinder just burst and a bit of my tank has started to leak because my coupling rod snapped off and have punctured my water tank, and now and when I tried to brake hard, I started getting flats on my driving wheels. And because I couldn't go by rail, so I had to come by road instead, and that's why Madge is here. I might need help to get off her trailer. You might need to use the hoist to get me off her trailer, if you don't mind that. Oh, hello, Kevin. How are you? Oh, don't worry about it, lad. You'll get a hang of it in no time. You'll get a hang of it sooner or later. I mean, after all, I think the steamworks would be a very dull place without you around, Kevin. You're joking. I got to stay in here for 3 weeks until I'm properly repaired. But what about my work over at the wharf? You really think Ivo Hugh could do it? Well, it's worth a shot, I guess. But I hope that young engine will know what he's doing.